What's up guys, in today's video we're going to be finding out how we can create a sticky header in Astra without having to use the Pro version. By a sticky header I mean when you roll down the header is actually going to stick with the screen rather than just staying up at the top. Like that essentially. So unfortunately to get this done normally you would need to pay for Astra Pro. You might not want the extra expenditure, but you can actually achieve the same thing by putting in a bit of custom CSS code. Now the good thing about this is that the code that I'm going to give you pretty much just works. It's not something that you have to put in and then change some of the coding to suit your website. You should be able to just put it straight into the right area, and then your header menu bit will then become sticky and follow you all the way down the page. So let's get down to how you do this. First of all, obviously log into your WordPress site. You want to be able to access the backend, and then from here we're going to go to Customize. From Customize we're going to go down to Additional CSS. Here is going to be where you want to put in your additions. So I'm going to paste what I have here, and you can actually find this in the description. So copy and paste it just as it is, it will be in the description, and then paste it into your additional CSS. Now straight away, if you can see, the header is now stuck to the screen rather than staying in one place. And of course, if you do want to play around a little bit, I'm going to give you a small explanation of what's going on here. Width, for instance, is 100%, so that's 100% of your screen. You can of course change that to a different percentage or pixels. Now you don't need to be a developer to change any of these bits here. They're fairly easy. So for instance, the padding on top, this is the padding on top from the menu to the top thing on your page. At the moment it's 75. If you want it to be increased, I can simply just change this to 150. As you can see, we have a bigger space right here. Same for the padding on the bottom, and also for mobile right here. So they're fairly easy changes. It's basically just a matter of changing the amount of pixels that you want it to have padding for. Now one small tip for this is that if you do want to make slightly bigger changes and you really don't know your coding at all, is simply use ChatGPT, give it the input of what you have here, and then ask it to make the changes for you, and then just test it out on your site before you make it live. And now you've saved yourself some money for having to use the Pro version of Astra. Thanks for watching guys, make sure to check out our next videos that are just popping up on the screen now, and I will catch you on the next video.